I was like, is it even possible to give happiness, the real happiness to the employees in the corporate world? I didn't believe that. Happiness lies in rest of the other things apart from work. This session made me realize that yes, it is possible.
When I started from home today, I thought that I will regret, but it's no regret, I will say.
But ultimately, as we understand in the workshop today, happiness is what employees are looking for, or all human beings are looking for. And your platform and your facilitation was quite clear about it. So thanks a lot for that.